Did I scare you? Hello, ghoul friends. It's spooky season. Yay, finally. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, anyway. So, today starts off some spooky resin videos. So, I wanted to start off super easy. So, I got out my UV resin, got out my ShrinkyDinks, and I printed off some of these adorable little ghosties. Yeah. So, you know what we're making. We're making keychains. Yes. So, this is going to be a super simple and easy video. As well as Thursday's video, which I'm actually really excited to try Thursday's video. It's going to be something new from me. And hopefully it works out. So, there's your little teaser for Thursday. But anyway, so for this project, I'm sure you all are aware, but for those who aren't, I'm just going to say, you need ShrinkyDinks, which is this clear plastic that you heat up and it shrinks. You need some scissors. You're going to need a Bic marker or any black marker that isn't alcohol based, because you're going to be putting, you know, UV resin on top of it, and UV resin will just make the alcohol run all over the place. You're going to need a hole punch, so you can punch the hole for the keychain. You're going to need your keychain bits right here. You're going to need either a white marker or white paint. I've got some of this Folk Art texture chalk paint. This one is very vanilla, but it's a matte, so hopefully it'll look good. And then obviously you're going to need your light for the UV resin. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mute myself, and we're gonna make some cute little ghosties. And then I will be back once we're done. My voice will be back once we're done. Okay. All right. Let's get creepy. Might help if I turn the mic on. My battery's about to die, by the way. I've been filming a lot today. Anyway, these are done. I did both sides. Are we ready to check them out? Oh, he's so cute. Okay. And the last one. I did have two mishaps. This one, right here, got really warped and looked terrible. And this one, I was so upset because the hole broke. So, but I got 4 out of 6. That's not bad. I will say this one right here, you can tell that the ink that I used did run. I'm not sure why. Obviously it didn't do that for the other 3 ghouls, but I don't know. These came out super cute, but they are also very, very tiny. There is probably no way that I can make these into keychains, but if you stick around for Thursday's video, I'm going to add them to my project there. I do have these tiny little ones. Let's see. That might work. That might be cute. Okay. So I'm going to finish these off. I've got some little jump rings here. And I've got these tiny little things. Yeah, so I'm going to finish these off. And then do the glamour shots. And then, yeah. So that's today's video. Super quick and easy. I was in a spooky mood and I wanted to make some little ghosts. So there you go. There you ghost. Anyway. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new to this channel, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.